All right, hello, my friends. Hey, just getting a couple things taken care of here. We are sharing this out. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Bob Brown. I'm going to be sharing today with you about 4 key components that are necessary in order to build a business online. So we're going to be talking about that topic here in just one second. So let me share this out with a couple of people, and then we'll get going right away. Hey, it's Saturday afternoon, beautiful Saturday here in Temecula, California. This morning I got to get up early and head to the beach and jump in the water for a little bit. It was just a beautiful day down there. So really excited about being able to jump on here with you guys. Yeah, I've kind of picked up surfing. It's been a number of years since I have actually been in the water. And so a couple of friends of mine have talked me into getting back out there again. So giving that a shot again and just getting out there and having fun. So 4 key components to actually building your business online. In order to do that, to create passive income, to actually get residual income, to be able to have the time freedom that you're looking for, to actually be able to create an income that's going into your bank account, whether you're sleeping, hanging out with friends, whether you're on vacation, whatever you're doing, you want to be able to be generating income to your bank on a regular, consistent basis. That's what passive income is all about. And so in order to build that business online, you're going to need 4 key components to be able to do that. And the first component that you want to be thinking about focusing in on is the product. Okay, so you have to have a product, a proven product and a proven market. If you have a product that is a good product that people are interested in a proven market, then it's going to be much easier for you to actually market that product and sell that product than it is with somebody saying, you know, because a lot of times what happens is people come up with an idea. They say, okay, well, I'm going to create this thing here and I'm going to sell it over here. So it's maybe some, let's use a knitting product or something like that. If there's no market for it and nobody's spending money on it, then the chances of you actually selling it are going to be much slimmer. So if you're going to go to a market that is actually a proven market, you're looking at the health and wellness, you're looking at personal development, you're looking at the beauty. There's a ton of different niches out there that are proven niches or markets that people are actually spending money in. So you want a product that's in one of those niches that are actually going to be profitable. So you want a proven product, something that's been around for a while, that has sales to it, that people are actually purchasing in a market that has actually been proven as well. So you don't want to pick a market that is obscure or so far out of the fringes where maybe 1 or 2 people are 3, 4, 5, maybe 100 people are spending money on it. You want people that or pick a market that people are spending thousands and thousands of dollars in. That's where you know that there are people that have money, that are laying money out on the table for certain specific products in a specific niche. So the key component number 1 is to have a proven product in a proven market. That's number 1. The number 2 thing that you need, the key component, number 2 key component that you need to building an online business is you need traffic. If you do not have a consistent flow of traffic coming through your front doors, then you're not going to be able to sell your products. It doesn't matter how good your product is, what market it's in. If you don't have a consistent way to actually be able to get people through the front doors to sell that product to, then you really don't have a business. So traffic is super important. I've also created another video that talked about traffic as well, and you can see the card above this particular video when I get it into YouTube, and you can actually see that video as well, talking about the different kinds of traffic. You have free traffic, you have paid traffic. One of the fastest ways to build your business online is using paid traffic. It is a consistent way to be able to manage and scale your business as you grow as well, because it's a consistent way to be able to do that. And so free traffic, on the other hand, is takes more time, it's less consistent, and it takes a lot more work to actually be able to do that. It does work, I have done it, but it's not as fast or as consistent as paid traffic. So having that paid traffic is going to bring people through the front doors of your business, give them an opportunity to see what you're doing, and then give them an opportunity to purchase or invest in that specific product that you've found in your niche. The other thing I want to talk about with that is traffic as well. When you're bringing traffic in, you're actually bringing in those leads that are coming in on a consistent basis. It's causing you to actually grow a list. You can do that online. And so you may have heard it said before that the money is in the list. As you build your list of people, that traffic that is coming to your website, over the course of time, you can actually sell different products and services to those people. So traffic is really, really important to build that list up so that you can actually do business with those people on a long-term, consistent basis as you build that relationship with them. So that's number 2, is to have traffic. Number 3 is follow-up. Very, very important. So it's been said that, that the money's in the list, but the fortune is in the follow-up. So to be able to follow up with those people, now you've got those people, that traffic that's come in, those people that you've put on your list right now, and you're going to follow up with those people. You're going to consistently email them, text them. You're going to make phone calls to them, build that relationship with them. The follow-up process is extremely important if you're going to build an online business. I know for myself personally, years ago, when I first got started online, I didn't really want to build relationships with people. I didn't want to do it. I just wanted to have a product and be able to sell it. What I soon found was that if you don't build relationships with people, if they don't know you, they don't like you, they don't trust you, chances of them doing business with you are very slim. So as you're building those relationships in the follow-up process, very, very important for building an online business, building any business. For that matter, it is all about relationship building. You're going to have those one-offs that will come to you that may not know you, that are actually looking for a specific product or service that you may have the offer, and they see you have that product, and they'll purchase from you. But chances are most people have to see your product, and it's statistically proven, over a period of time, 7 to 12 touches, personal touches that you have with that person, showing them your product, them seeing you do business, where they begin to trust you, and then they'll do business with you. So that's real important. Follow up is really important. So we have traffic, number 1. We have, a proven product in a proven market, number 1. We have traffic, number 2. We have the follow-up is number 3. And the 4th thing to building an online business is a duplicatable system. So when you have a system that's actually that you can transfer to somebody else that comes in and can get it right away and be able to duplicate that, then you have the makings of a business that is actually going to grow exponentially and rapidly online. And so that's really, really important. So if you have a system, because a lot of people that are coming in, they may be new either to network marketing or new to the online space, and they just don't know what it takes to actually do that. So you have a duplicatable system to show them, step-by-step process of how to do that, to train them, to get them to a place where they're actually able to learn and to do the same things you're doing. It's a powerful system. Okay, so that's a duplicatable system. I know for me that, and you can look at other network marketers or marketing companies. There's people out there that will work their butts off, okay, that do more, that accelerate in their businesses, but I find it very, very hard to actually duplicate that. And so having a system that actually gives a person the training, the leadership, the mentoring inside that system, also gives them the products and the services, gives them the traffic, the follow-up system. Now that's a duplicatable system. And so if somebody can walk through step by step and be able to use that to actually begin to build their business online right from the get-go, within 24 hours of getting plugged into a system and start earning income, from that, driving traffic, following up, and earning income, people get excited about that. They see that. We're seeing people on our team begin to do that very thing, to actually be able to use the system, the duplicatable system that we have, to get plugged right in and to start earning income, passive income online right from the get-go. So it's a powerful system that we have. If you're interested in looking or finding out really more about what we're doing, we're using MyEcon with the 2020 Vision team. We've had an app that's created specifically for our team, which is really, really exciting, that we can use that app, a duplicatable system, to teach people how to actually build passive income online, and seeing the results from it is really exciting. If you want to find out more information about that, either get back in touch with the person that sent you to this video, or make sure you click that link below. There'll be a link somewhere around this, depending on where you're watching this video as well. So listen, I just wanted to jump on here. I'm heading out the door here in just a minute. Got a couple things I got to take care of. Beautiful Saturday afternoon. I hope it's a great day where you are. Looking forward to building this online business, hopefully teaching you, showing you how you can actually get plugged in to do the same for yourself. So you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye now.